In our process of designing our playground and outdoor space, one of the things that we began to look at was turf. And when we came across XGrass, we were just, one, blown away by the quality, but also by the look. It's a very natural looking product.
It has been an absolute game changer for us. We couldn't be more pleased with XGrass and what they've brought to our facility.
It's a safe surface, it's soft, it's clean. The kids just love to take their shoes off and feel the soft XGrass under their feet.
Man, it can rain and we can be out here, in 30 minutes and our kids can be playing and enjoying the playground. And we feel like the XGrass was a product that not only met our needs currently, but the longevity and the wearability of it, that it is going to be something that continues to meet our needs well into the future.
So think about XGrass as an outdoor space for you, because I promise you, you will not be disappointed in what you'll get and also the fruit that will come from it. As your desires to reach your community, this can help you do that.